Okay, today we're going to look at getting to know the grid, and I want to focus on the tracker, this tab right here. When you launch the tracker, it'll look like this. So it launches automatically to second period. So if you're not in second period, you don't want to be working on this tab at all. Notice at the bottom, there's a place for fourth, sixth, seventh period, and of course the second period. So you want to pick the appropriate class period first. So let's say you're in sixth period. So you would select the sixth period tab and notice how it says sixth period up top as well. So make sure as you're working you're in the right class period. We will also be loading your names in, last name first, and eventually the names will be hidden and we will give you a class number. So that way your progress is your own and you don't have to worry about anyone looking at where you are. So eventually the names will be hidden. Okay, so a couple of things about the tracker. It's going to go by levels and activities, A through E, let's say. And what you do when you hit the drop-down box, you'll get these choices. So if you complete 1A, the activity for 1A, your choice is to say you're done with it, or maybe you need more time, you're still working on it, or you want the teacher to check it off for you. Maybe you have a question, maybe you need help. So you'll have all of those options to indicate where you are and what you need for each activity. I also wanted to point out there's a description about what each of these things mean. So done means the section is 100% complete. You're ready to move forward. Working means you're in progress. You're still working on it. The teacher means I'm ready for a teacher signature. The questions mean I have a question, but it can wait if you're busy. So you would just mark question. And then help is I have a question and I'm not able to move forward, so I need help with this before I can do anything else. So you'll have all of these help options as you're working. Moving through the grid, you can see there's various levels. Level 2, level 3. It may even go up to level 4 and 5, depending on what we have planned for you. So you're self-paced and you have options to notify us how you're doing and what you're working on. Okay, so that's a little look at the tracker tab on the Getting to Know You grid. Just again, be certain that you're in the right class period and working on your slot, your name, your row.